Hi there. So we've got dry rot underneath the front door. Massive amounts of water coming in from underneath, going up through the end grain, causing dry rot. So there's a hole underneath there. I have to take the door off, assess the problem, and we're going to fix this problem without actually doing any cutting or removing of timber from the door. It's a method that I found that works quite well, and you'll see it very shortly. So you'll need an orbital sander, some external wood glue, some tradies wood filler, also Earl's wood hardener, a hammer, a punch and a spatula. Remove all the hinge pins and then take the door outside. Stand her upside down safely. Okay, so here's the massive dry rot hole, and you can see the door has never been painted underneath, so that would definitely contribute to the dry rot. I'm going to remove this old weather strip that doesn't work and replace it with one that does. Our magic ingredient, Earl's wood hardener. This is a product that allows us not to remove any wood. So I saturate the affected area and let it set for 24 hours. So while the wood hardener is drying, I'll go over the panels and look for any cracks or loose paint that needs to be scraped or tidied up. I'll strengthen any loose joins or panels with external wood glue, and this will definitely give us a few more years and a little bit more life out of this beautiful old door. That's the way, work that wood glue into the cracks. Now with a damp cloth we wipe off any excessive glue. Just a close inspection. Wow, that's a hole, isn't it? It's amazing. It's still saturated at the moment. We'll give it some more time and have a look later on. So 24 hours has passed and the wood fibres are rock hard, and now I'm ready to mix the tradies filler and apply with a spatula to the hole with much pressure. I've also noticed there's a couple of holes on top of the door which I have treated with the hardener and will also fill. And a couple of hinges that are rusted, and I will replace them. So the wood filler is hardened and ready to sand. Put your mask on, and remember one thing, that filler is good in the door, but it's bad in your lungs. Using an 80 grit paper, I've now completed the sanding. And here we have the job finished, painted, and the door is now ready to hang. So I hope this video has helped you a little. And stay tuned for my next DIY project. See you later.